Welcome back, my friends, to another law enforcement body cam reaction video from Uncovered. I hope you're having a good day, and if not, I hope it gets better. Let's go.
10-4.
Oh, what's this guy doing? He's a tow truck.
We're gonna be at 93rd Street and 82nd Ave with the white pickup.
Hey, stop, Mo!
Oh, he knows him.
10-4.
Uh-oh. Well.
Looks like you might be fleeing from us.
The tow truck is about to get towed.
Alright, southbound on 82nd Avenue from 93rd Street.
The repo truck.
Now on 94th Street, he is not going on 81st Court.
My guy.
Now southbound 81st Court.
You can't run the cops, man.
I think that's where he lives right now.
You run out of gas. What? Nah, stop playing, man. This boy got home? He went home? You think he's safe? Nah, that's dumb.
Get out of the car, Mo!
Oh,
Back up! Stop it! Get out of the way!
Get involved.
oh,
You're not gonna get
what?
I have my grandkids inside.
Get out of the car!
Don't point a gun at him! Do not point a gun at him!
Wow.
What the f*** is he doing? Get on the ground! No!
Okay.
fine. You're in the way right now.
That is cool.
No problem. On the ground. On the ground. Cameras are outside the room.
What? Yeah.
On the ground, brother. On the ground.
No! What are you doing to my husband? Stop!
Oh,
Don't touch me! I didn't touch you!
I'm gonna throw you to the ground if you don't stop right now.
ooh. A slammer.
Stop!
So
931, give us the air.
I'm not touching you! Stop!
police officers.
Behind your back.
I'm
Hands
not
on your back.
touching you!
Oh,
I'm not touching you!
I got it.
wow. Okay. It's a double. Wow.
Good. I'm gonna throw my car. Get up.
You have to get up. Yogi!
Wow. I understand what's going on here.
Can I tell them to call their parents so I don't leave them unattended?
In a second. They're not attended. We're all here. Sit in.
Look what you're doing to my husband!
Sit inside.
Ha! You guys! Oh, I love these romantic body cam videos, don't you? Yes. This man was being pursued by the police officers, right? I was thinking he was trying to like hit the freeway or something, right? Like, go, Papa-bos. Hopefully I don't run the gas, right? Or get my tires slashed and stuff with the spikes on the road. Besides that, he went home. Either the woman knows how to cook, and he found his way home real fast because of the smell, right? Oh, don't you like some stuff that's cooking and smells so good in the kitchen? Or it's one of those couples that, you know, they ride or die, whether they're not riding with the person, right? And he said, I can't go to jail without you, baby. I'm going to go pick you up. Let's go. Oh, man, that was dumb, man. How you going to run for the police and go to your house? It doesn't make sense. I mean, you're just trapped. Like, you got nowhere to go. It makes no sense. Anyway, I'm done, you guys. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
Are you okay back there? Well, I know you're not happy, but are you okay? Do you need medical attention? Okay.
What are you doing, Bobby?
No, he didn't put his hands around my neck.
How do you take chain?
The chain was at the bottom, and he like touched it, and I said stop. Like my shirt, like at the bottom of my neck, I can't point to it, like where the Nike thing is, right there. Yeah, but he didn't like snatch it or chug, like he did not touch it. Right, but he grabbed it, he didn't.
What?
Yes, but he didn't like pull it, he didn't try to take it off, he grabbed the charm, he said I should take this, and then I said no, and he left me.
What?
I found him talking to a bitch on the phone, and I told him go back to Ohio where he's at. My name's Joe. I am!
Okay. Is he shouting at her from there?
Shit, fuck it. I'm sorry you feel that way. Next time, don't run from the police. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
He was going to his house.
27 years. Yes. Maryland. I was Canadian. It's ABDLRAA.
Oh, sad, guys.
I mean, unless you want Brian.
Walk to the back of the spot.
She's about to get charged.
Alright, we'll just walk back here.
Glass of Abdel ramen.
It makes no sense, man.
Where
You should have stayed inside.
Okay, do you have any weapons or anything? Or just up in there so no one can see?
Go with the grandkids.
In the container?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna go outside and smoke and then all this happened, so.
Oh. Okay.
This it's not even opened yet.
What is that, weed?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
That's the only thing I do.
What?
I'm gonna put that somewhere. Where do you want it?
In my pocket?
Well, I don't know exactly what's going on.
He said we're just gonna long form her. I don't.
Her?
Yeah.
Because she got in the middle. Yeah, so you're under arrest for getting in the middle of all
Well,
that.
can
You
I?
can't do that.
I have a 1-year-old and 2-year-old
I
grandkids
know,
here.
but
Anyone-
That's my 14-year-old. He's the only one here.
he
Can I call their
allowed to?
parents? He does not know how to change diapers or anything.
We'll work through that. Have a seat.
Here, go
I'll get
ahead.
your phone.
Yeah, we'll work on it.
Where's your phone?
Why would
It's in the house because I seen the police and I just ran out. I didn't
Here,
know.
let me see that one.
I don't
do
know
that?
anything else.
All right, John, do you want me to hold off?
Jennifer is clear billing on her account.
You're making me cry. Oh, she's a dummy.
Oh boy. How close is this?
Oh,
Okay, Sarge.
right in the face.
The window. Oh. Oh.
Dang,
All
man.
right.
Where'd he go? Let him know.
10.
Let me let him know.
Where'd he go?
At least, you know what I'm saying? Because he's not going to talk to him. I told him to shut the fucking door. He's going to
Ooh.
be his ass out.
Where did 10 go?
Huh?
Where did 910 go? Oh, he's in the car? Oh, okay.
I wonder what he did.
Hi.
Looks like your son.
Or he got warrants.
John's calling family to come take care of the younger kids. Because there's a 14-year-old here.
I've never met you, which is usually a good thing. If we've never seen you before, then it's usually a good thing.
I've never been a domestic.
It sounds like there's an explanation that could have just been had almost window to window.
Hey, you guys,
Almost window to
no, no, you guys came 3 strong on me.
Back up,
You
you have,
fucking bullied me last time. You tricked the shit out of me. You know what it is. I forgave it and let it go until this point. You know
Okay.
what the fuck it is, bro. It costed me a
Is
fucking...
that the reason you didn't want to?
Wow. Aggressive, man.
It's locked. Here, I got a key.
That is crazy.
The other girl with you.
There's one other girl. There was no other girl.
Apparently 2 white girls and one was carrying a baby.
That was my son. That's
Oh.
not a girl. Look, he's not even wearing a shirt. We were walking from the park because he went to go fly his plane.
Were you guys coming from that way?
No,
What?
that way.
So you were coming from that way, coming up this way.
Yes.
What? This is a sad situation, you guys. You know, people don't know. They don't think when something happens. They don't think at all. They just want to react, right? You're never supposed to react like that, though, man. You see some police officer chasing some of your homies or your family member. You gotta think like, wait. Now I know, man. I know John be acting all crazy and stuff, but I wonder what he did. He probably, well, yeah, I'm gonna just let it play out. After he's arrested, cuffed, stuck away like a baby, I'm gonna go ask what's going on. If they want to tell me, right? Because that sucker's in my front yard, right? I mean, wow. Talk about getting the whole family arrested pretty much, right? I mean, at least the wife, I understand. People take the vows very serious, man, you know? Together forever. I'm in the back of a police car. I'm just, oh, man. How can people be so dumb, man? I'm telling you, man. Instead of thinking about the kids inside, you want to think about the person that does all kinds of crazy stuff. And that's because he said last time, y'all did me like this. I ain't gonna let that go, homie. I'm gonna raise up and show you what I got. You know? like run to my house and then get thrown to the floor by you guys again and thrown in the car. It doesn't make sense. Come on, you guys. You know? I think I got my cat hairs in my face. I'm here trying to take it off. But no, man, that's crazy. Why would she get involved in like that? It doesn't make sense. You got kids in the house. It's like, unless he does the same thing for her and she feels like she needs to return the favor, right? I got you, baby. I got you. We're going to jail. Oh, smacks. The 14. Oh, dang. Now we got to get somebody to come take care of the kids. Oh, man. But anyways, yeah, let's get back to it, guys. See the charges. It's crazy.
Step up real quick. Sounds like my lieutenant's just gonna do what they do, like a site release.
Oh, show up to court. Wow. So the woman just got, decided to show up for obstructing. Pretty much the husband got resisting fleeing a traffic stop sign, a citation for stop sign, and he did all that, you guys. He did all that because he had a suspended license. What? I mean, sometimes in some states they don't take you to jail, right? Some states they don't. Some states they do. But the ones that don't, I don't know what state he was in. They seem to just, take your car, right? Do another thing. Sometimes let you go out because you can't be driving. So it doesn't make sense, man. This guy like overdid it. He brought the whole crew to the house. But I mean, well, it was just him that got in trouble, right? Like, you got a family member that's gonna act crazy if they see something crazy happening to you. At least do them a favor and don't go where they're at, right? Like, if he knows his wife's gonna act like that, why even go home? It's like, I'm done, you guys. What you think? Let me know down below. Go ahead and watch this video right here because it is crazy. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you next time. Bye.